Hey marketing folks, it is me Ethan with another YouTube video. Is your website gathering dust bunnies faster than a cobweb convention? Feeling like it's more like a ghost town than a bustling marketplace? Well, we're here to banish those blues and bring in the booms. Because today, we're cracking the code on client candy grabbing. Imagine your website as a shop overflowing with exactly what your dream clients crave. The kind of stuff that makes them say yum and can't resist taking the bite. That's what we're aiming for. Now, step number one is to spy on your ideal customer before you stock the shelves. You gotta figure out who you're selling to, right? We need to understand their deepest desires, the problems that keep them up at night, and what kind of content they gobble up online. Here's how you can become a customer confidant. Surveys and games. These are like treasure hunts for valuable info. Ask your target audience what keeps them up at night and what kind of content they crave. You can even gamify your surveys to make them more engaging. Offer incentives for completing the survey, like a chance to win a free consultation or a discount on your services. Social media whispers. Listen in on industry conversations. What questions are people asking? What are their biggest struggles? Join relevant Facebook groups, follow industry hashtags on Twitter, and participate in online forums where your ideal clients hang out. Pay attention to the conversations happening and use that information to create content that addresses their specific needs. Step number two, fill your shop with goodies that can't resist. Now that you know your ideal client's desires, it's time to stock the shelves. Think blog posts, videos, and social media magic that showcase your expertise like a shiny new toy. Don't just tell them you're awesome, show them. Brag a little with case studies, testimonials, and results that prove you're the marketing superhero they need. Step number three, make those sweet calls to actions. They're browsing, but how do you get them to grab a candy? Enter the CTA. This is your irresistible offer, like a free marketing makeover consultation or a juicy downloadable guide. Make it clear, concise, and impossible to say no to. Step number four, become their marketing BFF. You've got their attention, but the fun's just begun. Now it's time to nurture those leads with valuable content and personalized care. Think email candy deliveries packed with helpful tips and tricks, social media shoutouts that make them feel special, and exclusive content offers that are like golden tickets to marketing success. Build trust, address their pain points, and show them why you're the perfect partner to help them achieve their marketing dreams. Now here's a bonus tip. Be a data-savvy optimizer. Lead generation is like a never-ending buffet. Track what's popular, what gets devoured the fastest, and what gets left behind. See which content attracts the most customers, which CTAs are the sweetest deals, and which nurturing techniques make them feel most loved. Then, keep serving up the good stuff and refine what needs a little work. Now, to present a shortcut to any lead generation process, CUFinder could be your ultimate choice. With its sophisticated prospect engine and a 98% data accuracy, you can fetch thousands, if not millions of leads in a finger snap. Competitive prices are another bright spot within CUFinder that can possibly make it a better choice among other lead generation tools. So why not using CUFinder today? Try to click on the link above to sign up and gain more insight into CUFinder's prospect engine. Remember, lead generation is a marathon, not a sugar rush. But with the right strategies and a sprinkle of creativity, you can turn your website into a client candy shop so irresistible they'll keep coming back for even more. So, ditch the outdated tactics and get ready to watch your client base explode. Let's make marketing fun and delicious again. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more videos alike. Also, don't forget to watch the related video here as you can dig more and gain more out of the marketing tips in the lead generation world.